So Cytracom is a very simple solution for us because we can bring a phone solution to our clients, and it comes at a fixed price and a fixed budget, and they don't have to think about the solution ever again. It just works.
One of the things that resonated with us about Cytracom was their channel only. The ability for us to partner with someone that isn't going to turn around and compete with us on the very next deal. Someone that's committed to our success, because us being successful will ultimately make them successful, was hugely important to us.
I need a company that's going to understand the MSP business model and understand that we are not able to be experts in every single thing that we support, and that we will need that partner to stand up and be available and be accountable to whatever it is that they're doing.
What is my favorite thing about working with Cytracom? It has to be the people.
If I went in anywhere, whether it was a 10-user scenario or a 1,000-seat scenario, they were going to be able to support that and stand behind me to make sure I can get that stuff done.
I think it's the fact that they're the whole package for an MSP or from an IT provider's standpoint.
When we're doing the selling process, we just let them ask us the question, can Cytracom do this? Can Cytracom do this? Yes, yes, yes.
I really love that I've got a partner that's always ready, right there to help me out. They always have an answer when I need it, and they get everything done quickly.
Some of the things that our customers like about the Cytracom solution, there's no large upfront cost. They're not locked into contracts that require them to be stuck with a solution that may not work for their business.
Once we understand what the client is looking for, we help them develop their auto attendant rules, their call flow rules, and all that good stuff. We get all of that handled ahead of time so that when it's time to assign extensions and stuff like that, the client knows exactly what we're doing. They're very comfortable with the product. They tell us what extensions they need. We tell Cytracom that information. Magical things happen in the background that I'm not super aware of. We do love Cytracom. It's been a great product for us. It has matured tremendously, and we're benefiting from that an awful lot right now.